Good morning, students, and welcome you to the SST class. Today, we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. If you know, in the last online video, I had taught you this chapter number 11, Art and Architecture, and we have learned lots of monument and historical buildings which is situated in India and who give many thoughts, idea and many hints about the history. Even some of the monuments, that means temples, they are associated with some of our Hindu goddess. Some of places are there, they give us the real picture of Indian history. Okay, so one of best example you can see the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is the best picture about the history. Okay, so here students, this chapter is already over. So today we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. So I like to request all the students, please open this chapter, page number 63. You can see Art and Architectures, and open that exercise page. Okay, now go to the exercise. Look at here. And before going to fill in the book, students, please bring out your pencil, sharpener and eraser. Understand? Whenever it is needed, you just write on the book. Okay? So here the first question. Practice season, tick the correct option. There are 6 questions, and for the 6 questions there are 4 options in each question. So which one is suitable or which one is correct, you just tick that one. Okay, so here the first question is that the Taj Mahal is situated in A. Jaipur, B. New Delhi, C. Varanasi and D. Agra. So which one is correct option? Which one is correct option? That is D. Agra. Okay, Taj Mahal situated in Agra. Number 2. From where does the Prime Minister of India hoist the tricolor on the Independence Day? Number A, the Charminar, B, Red Fort, C, the India Gate and D, the Taj Mahal. And what is the correct option? Number B it is. Okay, number B, the Red Fort. Then question number 3. The Victory Memorial is situated in dash. A, Chennai, B, Kolkata, C, Bengaluru and D, Lucknow. The Victoria Memorial is situated in Kolkata. Option B. This is the correct option. Number 4. Which monument has 13 architectural astronomy instrument? Number A, the India Gate, B, the Lotus Temple, C, the Jantar Mantar and D, the Taj Mahal. And number C, the option is number C, the Jantar Mantar. Number 5th, the Meenakshi temple at Madurai is dedicated to goddess A, Durga, B, Saraswati, C, Lakshmi and D, Parvati. Which one is correct? D, Parvati. Okay, the Meenakshi temple is associated with goddess Parvati. Number 6. The Ramnath Swami temple of Rameswaram is dedicated to A, Lord Shiv, B, Lord Vishnu, C, Lord Ganesha and D, Lord Indra. So it is Lord Shiva, option A. Okay. The next, number B. Answer the following question. So answer the following question. There are 6 questions. So we will do this one later. Okay, then come to question number C. Fill in the blanks. Look at here, fill in the blanks. Number 1, the Charminar was built by Qutub Shah. QUTB, Qutub SHAH, Qutub Shah. Okay. The number 2, the Lotus Temple is a dash house of worship. That is Bahal I, BAHAL, Bahal. Then you put inverted comma here like this, then write here I, Bahal Li or Bahalai. Okay, house of worship. The next question, question number 3, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus is a historic dash station, historic railway station, RAILWAY, historic railway station. Over. Then question number 4, the tower of Brihadeshwara temple is dash meters tall, and that is 66 meter. How many meters is it is tall? It is 66 meter tall. Okay. Then question number 5, the Parthasarathi temple was built in dash century. Parthasarathi temple, it was built in 8th century. Okay. Then question number 6, the Jama Masjid is one of the dash mosque in India. It is largest, LARJEST, the largest. It is the largest mosque in India. Question number 7, the Haji Ali Dargah was built in 1431. The Haji Ali Dargah was built in 1431. Okay. Now come to number D. Write true or false. So which one is true? You just write true, and which one is false? You just write false. So number 1, first question is here. The India Gate is a war memorial. So it is true. TRUE, true. First question is true. Number 2, the Amer Fort was built by Raja Mansingh IV. Raja Mansingh, it is I. So here it is written IV. So this is false. Question number 2, it is false. Okay. Then question number 3, the Gateway of India was built in 20th century. Yes, it is true. Number 3 is true. Then number 4, the length of the Howrah Bridge is 100 meter. No, this is false. Number 4 is false. FALSE, false. Okay. It is 747 or something it is, but not 100. It is false. Then number 5, the Sun Temple of Konark resemble the chariot of Lord Surya. Yes, it is true. Then number 6, the Golden Temple is the holiest Gurudwara of the Sikhs. Yes, this also true. Okay. Is it over? Then come to next question. Number E, match the column. There are 6 questions and there are 6 options. Okay. So which one is correct? You just match it. Now look at here. Number 1, the Qutub Minar. And Qutub Minar goes to number D, tallest brick minaret. Qutub Minar goes to number D, tallest brick minaret. Then number 2, the Sanchi Stupa. The Sanchi Stupa goes to number A, Buddhist. Then number 3, the Parliament House. The Parliament House goes to number B, the Sansad Bhavan. Okay. Then number 4, the Hava Mahal. The Hava Mahal is in Jaipur. Option number F, Jaipur. Then fifth, the Bara Imabara. The Bara Imabara is goes straight Asaf Udullah, sorry, huh. And number sixth, the Balar Padam Church. It is situated with Mother Mary. Number C. Okay. Once again, number 1 goes to number D, number 2 goes to number A, number 3 goes to number B, number 4 goes to number F, number 5 goes to number E, and number 6 goes to number C. Okay. So here the exercise is over. Now one thing it is left. Now we will do the question answer. Okay. So let's go to the question answer. Here, first question is that comment on the painting of the early human. Comment, that means you write about early painting by early human. Okay. So here is the answer. So first answer is that, look at here, the early humans painted on the walls of the caves and rocks. They painted landscape and scenes of animal being hunted. Once again, the early humans painted on the walls of the caves and rocks. They painted landscape and scenes of animals being hunted. Then question number 2. Write 2 sentences about Ashoka's pillar. 2 sentences about Ashoka's pillar are given below. Number one, okay. Pillars of Ashoka are made of polished single piece of stone. And point number 2, Ashoka's famous edict are inscribed on these pillars. Once again, point number 1, pillars of Ashoka are made of polished single pieces of stone. Point number 2, Ashoka's famous edict are inscribed on this pillar. Then question number 3, list the features of Rashtrapati Bhavan. And the feature of Rashtrapati Bhavan are, point number 1, Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. Once again, Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. And point number 2, it is spread over 320 acres and has 340 rooms. It is spread over 320 acres and has 340 rooms. Okay. Then question number 4, write about the Jagannath temple of Puri. Yes, it is the one of the most holiest place, one of the pilgrim center of Hindus. Okay, so here the answer is that the Jagannath temple at Puri is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. An annual chariot procession is held every year in June or July. The chariot having idol of Krishna, Balaram and Subhadra. Once again, the Jagannath temple at Puri is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. An annual chariot procession is held every year in June or July. The chariot having idol of Krishna, Balaram and Subhadra. Then question number 5. Write about the Patna Sahib Gurudwara. And the answer is that Patna Sahib Gurudwara was built in, here it is forgot to write, you can write here in 1666. Once again, Patna Sahib Gurudwara was built in 1666. It commemorates the birthplace of 10th Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Okay, it commemorates Commemorate is single word. Here it is no space, so I write here. Commemorate the birthplace of 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh. So here you can put one comma because it is Guru written 2 times. It will look odd. Okay, so you can write here the birthplace of 10th Guru, then comma Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Okay, clear? Then the last question. Question number 6. State the chief feature of the Basilica of Bom Jesus. And this church is situated in Goa, the small state. Okay. So here is the answer. The Basilica of Bom Jesus is situated in Goa. It is around 300 years old. Bom Jesus means good Jesus. Bom Jesus means good Jesus. The church is said to hold the remains of Saint Francis Xavier, and the body is open for public display at a particular time of the year. Once again, the Basilica of Bom Jesus is situated in Goa. It is around 300 years old. Bom Jesus means good Jesus. The church is said to hold the remains of the Saint Francis Xavier, and the body is opened for public display at a particular time of the year. Is it clear? Yeah. So students, the exercise of this chapter is over. Now this is your duty to note down these things in your fair notebook. Okay. I think all of you have understood these things, and I believe all of you will do this exercise. If you are unable to understand or if you have any doubt, so you try to clarify that things. Okay. If any student is absent or not getting this information properly, please guide them and give them this information. If it is needed, you just help them. Okay. So students, take care, stay healthy, may God bless you and God gives a good health. Thank you.